the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't fix Humpty together again.
Poor Gregory, the hero of stove and pipe butter. Well, it could have been better, because if Milo wasn't so silly and invited all these silly friends of his, we could have done some kind of impression for the bishop. Unrequited love's a bore. So, it all stands in the bathtub. Queen of Sheba takes a bath in this bathtub every day. Dishes, toothbrushes, cockroaches.